Welcome to 2334 Fulton Street. This is a spacious full floor middle flat located directly across from Golden Gate Park on Fulton near Stanyon. You have a pretty expansive entry area here with a very large wide hallway you can use for a little bit of living space. An interior staircase from Fulton Street. Some of the original woodwork remains, but the apartment was pretty much rebuilt from head to toe about 8 years ago, and just one tenant lived here since then. The first front bedroom looks right out onto the park. There's the entry to the park right there. There's hardwood floors throughout, high ceilings, a newer central heating system. And this bedroom has a nice deep closet. You can see the door wood is very nice throughout. There are newer doors and newer frames and everything. And here's that big hallway again. The next room, which could be the living room or could be a bedroom, has a decorative fireplace, a fancy mirrored tile treatment. The original woodwork around there has a bay window of sorts, and it looks over at Golden Gate Park. It's a nice sized room. I believe these double doors here are sealed off. The next one, and let's call it bedroom number 3, has 2 windows. The other side of those double doors. A storage cabinet which could be removed if you don't want it or moved to another room. And a pretty good sized closet. It's a nice sized room. Onward, there are 2 full hall baths plus a half bath, and they're really nicely done. This has a quartz countertop, a marble tiled floor, more marble tile surrounds the oversized shower. Right next door, bathroom number 2. It's a towel area, double sinks, the same quartz countertop, more of a slate tile on the floor and around the tub with overhead shower. There's a window here in this hallway. It's a nice spot for a desk area. Bedroom number 4, bigger than bedroom number 3 with the same double windows. Reasonable sized closet, lots of space. There's a water closet here. That would be your half bath. It's nice lighting throughout the baths. This one has a nice floor. And then the 5th room, which I think is the living room, but could also be a 5th bedroom, and you just go with the kitchen as the common area. It's the original formal dining room. It has another fireplace, a bay window, and you have a pretty expansive view. I think on a clear day you see some of the Golden Gate Bridge. This is an optional piece of furniture that can be moved, and you have the built-in hutch here. Some nice picture frame moldings in this room. The final room is a spacious kitchen, with tiled floor. It's a granite counter, black granite tiled backsplash. There's a brand new GE side-by-side bottom drawer freezer refrigerator. A Frigidaire dishwasher, double sinks, gas range with hood, and a lot of space. So the kitchen, done correctly, can have a nice bar table there, or dining area in the kitchen. And you have a laundry room off the kitchen, a washer and dryer, gas machine, with sunny windows here, a little storage area, and a back door. If you're interested in leasing 2334 Fulton Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.